Hi, this is Chitra from Expertish, and today we'll be talking about harmful DIY ingredients part 2. So, in the previous video, we talked about how lemon can be harmful for your skin, and today we'll be talking about another household ingredient that has been part of the DIY fam for the longest time, and that is baking soda. So, back in the day, like majority of the people, I was also hooked on using baking soda, especially to remove blackheads because there were tons of remedies which suggested that if you apply a thick layer of baking soda mask or if you exfoliate with baking soda, then your blackheads will completely vanish and you'll be able to get rid of them. And to be honest, none of that happened. So the truth is that baking soda is highly alkaline and our skin's normal pH is acidic. That's where everything goes wrong because when you're using a highly alkaline product on your skin and that too consistently, then that will obviously result in disrupting the skin mantle and compromising your skin barrier. Moreover, it can cause a lot of skin issues like making it sensitive, especially photosensitive, and then causing inflammation, making your skin extremely dry, and that can result in early onset of wrinkles, which is absolutely a no-no. So if you're doing the same mistake that I used to do back in the day or using baking soda in some way or the other in your skincare regime, then you need to stop it and just stay away from it completely because it can seriously ruin your skin. So if you're looking for a safe replacement for baking soda, then start including chemical exfoliators in your skincare routine like AHA, BHAs and PHAs. They will help to get rid of blackheads, uneven skin tone, uneven skin texture, and also keep your clogged pores at bay. Salicylic acid, lactic acid, glycolic acid will be able to do the job flawlessly and you won't be disappointed, and also your skin won't be ruined at all. So I will share this video if you found it helpful, and for the next part, stay tuned to Expertish. Meanwhile, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel, and if not, then do it now.